Hi everybody, welcome back. Got a little workbench update for you, and just going to talk about the Fer Miniatures Captain Jean Fantin bust. And so just a little progress update, and I got a couple of questions for you guys. I want to see what you would like to see, or if you have any suggestions for it. First off, we'll start with the body itself. So again, haven't painted the eyes yet. The skin and the facial hair are all done with oil paints. The rest of this is all done with acrylics. And I've been using two types. I've been using, where is it? Chimera colors. They're out of Italy. And also these scale 75 artist colors. But yeah, here we go. So I think the shirt turned out okay. I think the belt and the belt buckle are looking pretty good. I think the coat itself is looking pretty good. I think it still needs a little bit more weathering to just kind of make it look like he's been out on the open ocean a little bit more. I do have a question though. Let me grab my little pointer stick. So the brocade work that's here, this edge sleeve, and then all of these little flowers and things like that that are along in here, okay, and on this side. I need to decide what color. Now, typically they're painted yellow. I don't want to do that. Yellow is boring to me. What I was thinking about, I have a couple other choices in mind, and I was wondering what everybody else might think here. What I was thinking about was black for these, or like a blue, maybe like a royal blue, or maybe even purple, like a royal purple or something like that, just to make it look different, right? And yellow is just kind of like always the basic, everybody does that, right? So I kind of want to change it up, but I was wondering what everybody else thought. So what do you think? Black, blue, or purple for these? Also, so there's that. And then last night I worked on the hat. Again, all done with acrylics. And then I'm gonna do the feathers in parrot colors. I just haven't decided whether it'll be blue and yellow, or maybe a red and yellow. Not 100% sure yet. Haven't decided what I want to do with the feathers yet. But yeah. Let me know what you think. And obviously I have not done the sword yet. The hand is done, but I still have to paint the sword and the scabbard. Scabbard's probably going to be gold, and then, you know, metal color for the sword itself. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. And then also, just real quickly, I'll show you the next car project. Thinking about doing this Ferrari, the 612 Scaglietti by Revell. And I don't know if I'll paint it blue or whatnot, but yeah, this is probably what I'm going to go with next. So this will be the next car build. I'll probably start Saturday or so after I work a little bit more on the figure. But anyway, so I hope everybody's doing well. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers for checking out my videos, and welcome to all the new subscribers I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the content here. You will see a few different types of things that I do. Everything from wargaming figures to model cars and military vehicles, and the larger scale figures like this, which I enjoy painting. So yeah, if you liked the video, please comment, subscribe, and share and like the video. It's greatly appreciated. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. And I will talk to you all real soon. Bye for now.